Punctuation shows how the sentences should be read and makes the meaning clear. Punctuation marks is a system of signs or symbols given to a reader to show how a sentence is constructed and how it should be read. Please watch the video about punctuation marks.
Question mark. We use question mark to indicate a direct query. Where are you going? Do you like coffee? Exclamation mark. Use after an interjection or to indicate strong feelings. Stop, he yelled. Get off my lawn. Wow, she looked gorgeous. Quotation marks. Used to set off speech, a quotation, a phrase, or a word. John said, I really hate when it is hot outside. She told him, bonjour, good day, when they met. Parenthesis. Used to set off additional information. The president and his assistant traveled by private jet. Semicolon. Used to link two independent clauses that are closely related. Call me tomorrow. You can give me an answer then. Period. Used at the end of a complete declarative sentence. I know him well. Comma. Used mainly to indicate a brief pause. We had coffee, cheese, and crackers, and grapes. Hyphen. Used to connect two words into a compound word. Truck driver, ice cream, sign in, mother-in-law.